See, we always at the meeting place now. At any time from this moment to the talk to us, so the mayor will come.
Hey, Counselor, but so we get forget this meeting. We all get things and we do. Sorry, man. But me said yesterday, we didn't change it. Let me try to just move as quickly as possible.
Okay, can we start?
Is the principal going to call the principal?
The meeting don't start because the mayor will come a little bit late. It's a long time because a sharp one, we sharp 1:30, we start this meeting. But the mayor solo boy they will join we the latest 2:00.
I will identify members of Pupils.
Momo Kamara, member of the Old Boys Association.
The old boys from
Old Pupils, sorry.
I'm a member of the Old Pupils and I'm head of corporate affairs commission.
Sorry, Conte. So today now the WC World Development Committee.
I'm also ex-pupil, Wallace Johnson.
Reverend Oliver Harding, Old Pupil, Wallace Johnson. Shakai School, Estate Officer, Freetoen City Council.
Where come on? Private Dumbuya, Chairman, Board Committee, Board Fortune.
So now they say all man they introduce himself. Well, we understand we already at the meeting. So now the latest this so they happen for now. As we all they see. The mayor say we join you shortly.
Any of Joseph Smith, member of the Association?
Introduce yourself.
Wait, let him done first.
Thank you.
Yeah.
No, they're fine. No, they're fine.
Lord, we pray your blessing. Everything we needed now on this site, Lord, we pray you go make the provision. We pray for wisdom for the contractor. We pray for supernatural blessing. For let all waiting and don't dream lay count to pass. We tell you, thank you, Papa God. We thank you for this Freetoen. Now, so you the transform Freetoen. One step at a time, one building at a time, one community at a time. We just honor you, God. We really, really grateful. We heart full. And thank you, Papa God. In Jesus' name.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. The old boys and old girls that don't come with. Abide the idea 100%. Let we make sure say we calling off the school. The school should not be related to you. The call has to go. We not to get any trading to go on within the confines of the school wall. But wait till we don't left. Now really it's a win-win. Because this is council ground. And a council get markets, and a council get school. So if we say with the shape I'm so market there, school day so, I don't think it's not bad. And we not be able to do them without the support of the old boys and the old girls. So we want to tell them thank you. So let me move in now. Let me move in now and let me see how we end this conversation. But I believe say wait till we get to the correct solution. And the team with them they talk about putting a canopy, that would have been great. The only thing is, if you can't afford to do it without cost to them, then don't do it. Let we see what we go able to do with time, because we can't hand our market over. You know, these are municipal structures or lack of structures, municipal spaces where we really take the responsibility for. Markets get a lot of drama and I not know. You not know from the outside. Now when you begin involved, now you know say markets get drama. All right, okay, so with that, should we move indoors?